Hi again. I have another book today, and this one we actually read in class, and you guys loved it. It is Don't Push the Button. Remember? I'm going to read it again because I know you guys loved it. I'm going to move it a little bit so you guys can see. Okay. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. Look at his eyes. It does look pretty nice though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. No, we can't. We must not. I think he really wants to. Psst. No one's looking. You should give the button one little push. Should we push it? All right, let's try it. Let's see what happens. Oh, now I'm yellow. Push it again. Push. Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Okay, so 2 times. 1, 2. Ah! Now there's 2 of me. Push it a bunch of times. Is that enough? One more. Uh-oh. Wow, look at all those Larrys. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. All right, I think that's good. Almost, a little more. Shake, 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 shake. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Scratch, 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 scratch. Hee, that tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. Don't push it. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. Ah, look what happened. They all came back. The end. I'll see you tomorrow with another story. Bye.